Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. This is supposed to be Wig Wednesday, but I'm going to put on some FALSCARA eyelashes first. This is the way the box looks. FALSCARA by Kiss. Here are the lashes. They come in 3 different lengths: the short, medium, and long. So I'm going to put the long on the outside edge. And I'm going to use the Kalalis lash bond or adhesive. It's like a little bitty mascara wand. So I'm going to use this mirror. And I just put the glue on each lash as I need it. I don't put it all over my lashes. So I have to get a good grip on this lash, else I got a fan over here. It will blow away. Try to get another angle so y'all can see what I'm doing. I think I'm still too far away. So on there, I have an alcohol pad to wipe the glue off as I go along. These lashes will stick to the glue. You think it's on your eye and you're looking cute. It's stuck to the tweezers. Okay, now I'm going to do the next section. Nothing actually touches my skin. Don't touch my eyelids, nothing. So right now I'm using the medium length. Quick. I learned how to do strip lashes, but I prefer these. Now I'm going to put on the short length. And I don't go all the way to no corner. Okay. Put it on the tweezers straight so I can put it on my eye straight. Okay, this eye is done. Use this clear stuff, crystal coat, that keeps them from being sticky. Like when I blink, I can feel a little stickiness against my bottom lashes. So this will keep it from being sticky. So I don't know what this is. It looks like oil, but it can't be oil because the oil will actually loosen the glue. Okay. Fine. Okay, now do the other eye. See that? Y'all see that? As opposed to this. I got lashes, but they're real scarce. Okay, let me do my other eye. Like I said, I don't go to the edge because I can feel it. When I blink, I can feel it. So I kind of offset it. So start with the long. These are lash clusters. See a straight lash. It's gonna feel funny if I put that on. Okay. Don't dare let it go. It'll blow in the wind. That's fine. Lay it there. It's on there. Okay. Now I get the medium. Oh, put this on. The medium length. Put it next to the other one. And now I'm gonna get the short length. I'm straightening the lash in the tweezers so I can put it on straight. Okay, all done. Cleaning these off so they're ready to use again. These kind of tweezers I use. Works for me. So I'm gonna put this clear coat on, and I'm gonna get my wig. I think my eyes are one eye bigger than the other. I got 3 lash clusters on each eye. Y'all can see. Put my stuff up. Buy everything from Amazon. This is Cicero Lash adhesive. It's for cluster lashes. And they don't recommend that you use the same glue that you use for strip lashes, because it's going right on your eyelashes. It's not going on your lash line. I don't know what it do to you, but they don't recommend you use the regular glue. And so I don't feel these, but they look cute. Okay, now I'm gonna get my wig. I was looking for, the wig ain't got no name. It's an Amazon wig. It's a Phony pony in salt and pepper, and it's curly. I'm tired of touching up my edges. Well, I did touch them up a little with that little stick thingamajig. Well, this don't have a name, but I'll leave the link in case you're interested in this, or even one in your color, like dark brown or black. But I wanted this for when I don't feel like doing nothing to my edges, yeah. So it comes with the little comb at the top. Comes with this inside and the drawstring. I know I'm gonna wind up cutting it. It's a drawstring so you can put it on and then pull the string. So I got my hair in a top knot. I washed it and I, I put it in the dryer. I don't know why I did that. 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 I don't twist. I got a ponytail and I twisted it, you know, like a twist braid. Then I wrapped it as small as I could. So that's as small as it gets. So I hope it's small enough because I don't want the wig sitting up looking crazy. Okay, this comb. I have to wear bobby pins like I usually do. Okay, it fits over that top knot real good. And I'm going to push this little, I didn't show y'all. I'll take it out. Okay. It's a drawstring. So this little thing right here has a button that you push in. Push it in so you can tighten up like that. Then it locks in place. But you need it so you can tighten your wig while you're putting it on. So then I can cut off the excess string if I want to. Okay. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm pushing that button in and pulling this drawstring. Okay. Make sure it's comfortable. I don't do uncomfortableness. Okay, pull it out some because it was feeling funny. Hope this up some. Fluff it up some. Take a piece. You can't really see nothing. Okay. I'm going to tuck this string up under the wig cap. If that couldn't be called a wig cap. I need some hairpins. I always pin my stuff. Let me get a couple hairpins. Bobby pins. But I need hairpins. Y'all know I got these big old ignorant hair bobby pins. That's what I use. Okay. I'm going to secure my hair. Okay. That's good. Secure this side. I'm pinning the wig cap right underneath. Okay, it's good and don't nothing hurt. So I have no idea how it looks in the back. Lately I've been wearing shorter and shorter wigs. Okay, let me see how this looks. I think I like it. So turn around so y'all can see. Salt and pepper. Very lightweight. Bouncing and behaving hair. I could have put my own top knot up a little bit higher. what this will do. Okay, so I will put the information for this Phony pony in my description box, because like I said, it don't have a name. I put in salt and pepper, Phony pony or ponytail, something like that. And this was one of them that popped up. Okay, and it was here the next day, so I like it. It looks believable. Okay, so a thumbnail, but you can't hardly see it. And it's okay about my silver, because it all matches. Even though my hair is more brown and silver instead of black and silver. So I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day.